It's time to debunk some bull.
There's an illusion in the golf release.
Another release video by Fizzle Golf. How many release lessons does this guy have? And how can they all possibly be so different and so wrong?
Understanding the illusion in the release is the trick to easy golf.
Easy golf might be the most oxymoronic thing I've ever heard about golf. Golf is simple, it's not easy.
First, here's the problem. Eye-hand coordination naturally triggers the release to happen at the ball. The brain just makes things simple and says, when hands reach ball, then club head will hit ball. And instincts will always override technique you've learned in the golf swing, which means this natural instinct we all have will forever override good technique.
That is one of the more difficult aspects of golf. That's one of the things that make the simple parts of golf hard to execute, is training our minds to overcome the natural instincts that we want to do. He is right in that, but he's not right in that it's impossible. Instincts will not always override technique. It takes a proper method, it takes a proper process, and it takes practicing the right things. But first it takes learning the right things, which you won't do if you are learning from this video.
Let's pull back the curtain to see how the release is intended to work, because knowing that will allow you to pair up good instincts with good technique. Number one, release the club with your fingers pointing away from the target. If I want the club to go that way, I point my fingers this way. Think of this finger as a dial. The more it turns towards the target, the less distance the ball will go, and the less time to get the club head back onto a path that connects with the ball. Number two, release the hands behind the ball. All that fancy lag happens at the top of the downswing. Here's the reality. Lag is the angle between the lead arm and shaft.
That's true.
If I hold this angle into the ball, how's the club head supposed to reach the ball?
The shoulder turn. The shoulder turn is what lowers the club head.
Need this angle to be widened before impact in order for the club to hit the ball.
No, don't do that.
Simple way to think of it is get your fingers to line up with your toe line, then flick down. From this point forward, golf is shockingly easy.
Golf is not ever easy for anybody,
compared to trying to release the club when the hands line up with the ball. I appreciate the time listening. If you're looking to put in the reps, but want to make sure you're doing the right things, check out Scratch 7.
I'm not sure what exactly he's trying to say in this video, but I'm sure that a lot of what he said is 100% wrong. If you try those things, it's going to make your golf harder.